Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna sandwich using San Marino tuna. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 can of San Marino tuna, 2 slices of your preferred bread, and about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery for crunch, and a small pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's create the perfect tuna salad. Start by thoroughly draining your San Marino tuna. You want to remove as much liquid as possible to prevent a soggy sandwich. Transfer the drained tuna to a medium-sized bowl. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix everything gently until well combined, ensuring the tuna is flaked nicely. With your tuna salad perfectly mixed, it's time to assemble your sandwich. Take 1 slice of your chosen bread and spread the tuna mixture evenly from edge to edge. You want a generous, consistent layer for every bite. Carefully place the second slice of bread on top, pressing down gently to secure it. For extra flavor, consider adding a crisp lettuce leaf or a slice of cheddar cheese before adding the top bread. Enjoy your delicious creation. Your delicious San Marino tuna sandwich is now ready to enjoy. For a classic presentation, I recommend cutting your sandwich diagonally. This makes it easier to handle and often more appealing. Serve it immediately with your favorite side dish, perhaps some crispy potato chips, a fresh salad, or a piece of fruit. It's a quick, satisfying meal perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.